Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to activate the dark mode on the Motorola Moto G42. What is the dark mode? The dark mode is a special kind of showing your display and your and all what's on your display. And just let's take a look how it is at the moment. So when I'm in our settings, we can see it pretty good. We have here everything what is written is black, and in the back side it's a lighter theme. Okay, so it's white and gray. And when you're in the sunshine, when you're outside and you have enough light, then it's everything fine. But when you are in the dark, then it can be that it is too light, so you cannot see it very good, and it's not so good for your eyes. Also, remember that this is an OLED display, and this OLED display means that every dot here on this display which isn't black consumes energy. Okay, so it consumes a lot of battery because we have a lot of white and a lot of colors. So how do we change it to dark mode? We must go here to the settings, and when you are in your settings, then we go on display. And here we have the display dark theme. Will never turn on automatically. So I can use the dark theme, and you will see, bam, what will happen. Everything here will go black, and now we have everything what is written is white. And remember what I told you about the energy consumption. It means that everywhere where now we have the display black doesn't consume energy. Okay, so your battery will last longer now, and when you are in dark environments, it's very good for your eyes. And you can also turn it on automatically. So you can schedule it, and you can say it turns on custom time or turns on from sunset to sunrise. Okay, so when it begins to get dark, then it will automatically turn on, and when it's beginning to get light, the sun is shining and so on, then you will use your standard theme again. Okay, this is how you use your dark mode on your Motorola Moto G42. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.